welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is me, Pratibha Godkar, and today in this video, we'll be talking about something that I've the most experience in. Yes, you heard me right. I have journaled for 8 damn years, and today I'll be revealing some secrets. And not like secrets, but I'll be telling you what journaling does to your brain and what is journaling to me personally, and how can you journal, and what kinds of journal you need to have in your journal collection if you had not started yet. So
What journaling is to me, I think um, for me, journaling is an activity that I practice to calm my brain. I think ever since I was a kid, I think यही intention रहता था मेरा to just get the negative stuff out of my brain. So अब now you can ask me कि अरे बचपन में कैसे negative चीज़ें मेरे में थी. I was a very negative child, so I still I'm not a very negative kid right now. Like yeah, I'm not a negative adult. Like थोड़ा थोड़ा नेगेटिविटी तो आता रहता है राइट बट उस टाइम आई वाज एक्सट्रीमली आई वाज फिल्ड विद नेगेटिविटी सो आई टू राइट इट डाउन टू गेट आउट ऑफ those things. And मेरे friends भी अगर if they come to me with any problem, like any sort of problems, like friendship problem हो, कोई भी problem हो, like इनकी personal life में कोई भी problem चल रहा हो, I would always suggest them to journal, to think nicely. I'm very bad at giving advices, so the only thing that I can say them is journal. Like you know what, write it, start a journal. You know what, write it out. You know what, when you write things out, you actually heal, because तब ना तुम्हें एक clarity मिल जाता है, right? You get a good picture of that situation and you try to deal with it more wisely, I guess. मतलब तुम्हारे अंदर वो sense of clarity आ जाता है, not exactly solution, but it will take you to the solution with clarity eventually if you be consistent in journaling. Now how do I personally journal? I don't ऐसे मैं prompts वाला journaling मैंने उतने नहीं खरीदे हैं, I guess. I think 2-3 ही खरीदे हैं, 2 ही खरीदे हैं actually, गिन के 2 हैं. And this is from लावण्या लाइफस्टाइल दीदी. नाम बोल दिया मैंने यूट्यूब चैनल का. दिस इज हर, शी सो प्रिटी. एंड yeah, it was like ये थोड़ा prompts वाला था, but बाकी तो it was a to do list. And so if you are a beginner who is wanting to journal, or who wants to start this new habit of journaling, if you think like if it fascinated you till now, so I think don't buy a prompt wala journal, because A, it is expensive, and B, you don't need it. Like as a beginner you should actually try to try to write your emotions out on a paper. Like you have to practice that, like every morning or every evening, sit with a book or a pen and sit with any piece of paper. If you're feeling negative emotions, I would highly recommend you to write it in like white papers or in a rough papers, because जब तो मेरे को ऐसा लगता है पर्सनली, जब मैं डायरीज में से नेगेटिव चीज़ें लिखती हूँ, तो आई डोंट नो, बट आई थिंक द डायरी होल्ड्स दैट एनर्जी एंड आई डोंट फील लाइक राइटिंग इट अगेन. आई नो इट्स सम सुपरस्टिशन दैट आई बिलीव, बट आई थिंक मैं नेगेटिव चीज़ें अभी तो नहीं प्रेफर करती हूँ. पहले मैं बहुत लिखती थी जो भी नेगेटिव चीज़ें, बट अभी आई राइट इट इन अ प्लेन पेपर, एंड when I'm done with it, I just tear it apart. And I am so thankful that I get the like a good privacy, like a good amount of privacy. मेरा डायरीज किसी को भी इंटरेस्ट नहीं मेरे डायरीज पढ़ने में, सिवाय एक इंसान के, मेरे रिलेटिव है. जब भी डायरी देखते हैं, देखते बैठते हैं कि क्या लिखा है इसने. Please, it's a please. How can you journal if you're a beginner? I would not recommend you to buy these prompts वाले journals रहते हैं ना, कि like वो already questions देते हैं and तुम answer लिखो. I know it is a very easy way to start this habit, but I would really recommend everyone who is watching this video who is wanting to develop this habit. I think you should start with a plain notebook, or like whatever notebook you have, and start by writing your emotions, like whatever you're feeling in the morning or even in the night, you write it out. And I would say the best way to start journaling is to start with gratitude journal. Back then I used to feel like, why should I be grateful about things that I deserve? I was a very like egoistic person back then, like very narcissistic also. So I think 9th की बात है ये, but I think gratitude is very important. I mean, for manifestation also gratitude is important, and it just makes you feel more good about stuff that usually doesn't make you feel good. I think that's how I think gratitude works. And I think if you want to know the importance of being grateful and having a gratitude journal, I think you should and must read The Magic करके एक book है. I think you should all read that book, and you will be more grateful after reading that book. Like you'll be a different person after reading that book. I'm stuttering a lot because I don't know, whenever I talk about like intellectual stuff, I feel very nervous, and then I stutter. I'm thinking of like 10 different things right now, and it is not at all good. So let me calm my brain first. like start with a gratitude journal and eventually start, and don't like ऐसे मतलब तुम fancy तुम्हें diaries खरीदने की ज़रूरत नहीं until you have that fetish of having good kinds of journals. Until that, like don't buy any journals, like journal like तब तक कोई notebook में practice करने की कोशिश करो, like रोज journaling करो. And like if अभी तुम्हारे लिए, if you are not like, if you don't have a journal available right now and you really want to share your thoughts and your feelings, then take a notebook, that any notebook chalega, and उसमें तुम लिखना शुरू कर दो whatever you're feeling every day. And I think it will give you a sense of clarity. Since I was a kid who was no good in art and like painting, I think it was my only creative skill that I used to think that it is. So yeah, आई डोंट नो मेरा इंग्लिश में क्या हो जाता है जब मैं वीडियो ऑन करती हूँ, मेरा इंग्लिश चला जाता है, मेरा ग्रामर, मेरा वोकैबुलरी का बाढ़ लग जाता है बेसिकली. बट या, दिस इज हाउ यू कैन जर्नल फॉर एवरी बिगिनर. एंड इफ यू आर समवन, लाइक हाउ आई जर्नल इज लाइक, आई थिंक आई क्या बोलते हैं, मैं जर्नल ऐसे बहुत ही मुझे पता नहीं मैं कैसे जर्नल करती हूँ. मैं हर चीज़ लिख के रखती हूँ. ये खाली है, मैंने आधा भरा है, आधा खाली है. वाओ, ग्रेट प्रतिभा, ग्रेट. But this is actually a gift from my friend Aisha. इसने ये सऊदी से लाया क्या था, lot of scribbly stuff, but मैंने ये end तक लिखा था. And there are a lot of journals which I filled, but ये I think पता नहीं, it has a lot of negative stuff here. तो yeah, and you know how much serious I was for IIT. बॉम्बे जाना था मुझे, बॉम्बे बैंगलोर जा रही हूँ मैं. आई शुड नॉट मॉक माई सेल्फ, दैट्स नॉट राइट. बट या, आई थिंक आई एम अ काइंड ऑफ पर्सन, आई डोंट मेंटेन ऐसे. मैंने ट्राई किया है अभी फिलहाल टू गेट, आई हैव लाइक 3 journals. लाइक दिस वन इज फॉर लाइक द वर्क दैट आई डू, लाइक स्क्रिप्ट करने के लिए, फिर टाइटल्स. लाइक if I am getting any ideas for content, so I write it down here. And like activities, habits and habit tracking, वो सब चीज़ें, like productive stuff. And then but मैंने अभी इसमें I bought this book is so good. It's a fairy like journal. Look at it, it is so beautiful. And I bought it from Meesho, by the way. Can you believe it? It is so like, ऐसे मुझे लगता है ऐसे fairies लोगों के journals होते होंगे ना, तो उनका journal ऐसा होता होगा. Like this is so beautiful, bro. And I'll show you the first page. जिसमें मैंने बस इतना लिखा, that phase of her life, my life obviously. And I've written like 2-3 pages and मैंने छोड़ दिया because उससे पहले मुझे ये जर्नल मिला था. इसमें मैं सब लिख रही हूँ, like whatever, like gratitude and whatever emotions I'm feeling, and like quotes and things that literally make me think about, I write about that. So yeah, it's like pretty much लिख रही हूँ इसमें. Yeah, this is like my journal haul. So currently I'm using this one and this one. ना काम के लिए है, और ये है अभी इसका. मुझे लग रहा है मैं ये, जब ये ख़त्म होगा तब मैं ये शुरू कर दूँगी. मैंने जल्दी शुरू किया था, बट now I'm not really consistent with this journal because I'm not used to having this different journals for different things. I've always journaled in one book. मैंने सब कुछ एक बुक में ही journal करने. And I know at times क्या होता है, मतलब बहुत ही cluttered लगता है. Like you write your goals there, you write your daily life there, you write your emotions there, and it looks very cluttered. Like you don't remember sometimes what you have planned. Like तुम्हें लगता है कि आज ये करना था, तुमने वो journaling में लिख लिया है, but you forget it eventually. I do like that. मैं तो ऐसी हूँ, मैं भूल जाती हूँ चीज़ों को. And इसलिए मैंने एक separate book ही बनाया जहाँ पे मैं अपने goals लिख सकूँ, so that whenever I open that journal I should be reminded of my goals and not the emotions. So and there is this book, this journal book. तो इस journal में बस मेरे emotional stuff going on here, like gratitude and everything is here, and it is so cute. It is also from Meesho, by the way. अगर मुझे links मिल जाते हैं तो मैं description में link provide कर दूँगी. And yeah, that's it for this video. I hope you all after watching this video, some of you might, मतलब मुझे ऐसा नहीं लगता कि सब लोग influence हो जाते हैं, but अगर if you want to develop a new habit or if you want to start a new habit, then you can consider journaling because it really helps to think with clarity. And I think it develops a kind of empathy in you, like वो empathizing वाला, I don't know, you just get good with stuff, like you just get good with situations and you get good with life overall. And yeah, that's it for this video. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.